what are we going to do today?
We
are going to learn how do we plant a tree. Okay, so have you done? Please show it to everyone. Show the paper to everyone. We need an empty jar.
Empty jar, water,
What is this?
and seeds.
Seeds. Yes. All right. So first we will make eyes and no mouth of the jar. So are you ready?
Yes, Mama.
One eyes. One eyes. See, it's looking nice.
Yes.
One more black eyes. Okay. See now. Now we're going to paste the lips.
Lips.
Should we paste the lips down here?
Yes.
Now it's looking nice. Check it out. Nice. You like it? Show it to everyone. Show it to everyone. Put it somewhere. Go and put it there. Go and put your plant there.
No.